Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into a really powerful shift that's happening in property management. We're talking about the journey from being a simple taskmaster to becoming a true community architect. And all the great ideas we're covering come from the SpaceFlex professional tutorial series.
So let's just ask the big question right off the bat. Is this job really just about chasing paperwork, handling maintenance calls, and collecting rent? I mean, for a long time, that was definitely the perception, and honestly, it was often the reality. But things are changing, and they are changing fast.
Just look at the contrast here. On the left, you've got the traditional manager, kind of bogged down by documents and just checking off tasks. But on the right, that's the modern manager. The focus totally shifts from the property itself to the people inside it. It becomes about building real relationships, creating value that goes way beyond a rent check, and, you guessed it, fostering a genuine community. And that brings us to our first big idea. It's time to embrace a new mission for management. This is all about redefining what your role is and seeing the bigger picture, looking way beyond that daily grind.
So what does this new role actually look like? Well, a modern property manager is basically a connector. You're not just managing a building anymore, you're managing a whole network of relationships with your tenants, with landlords, with vendors. The whole goal is to build a strong community, yes, but also to optimize revenue and create some real social value in the process. This quote just hits it home, right? It drives home the profound impact you can have. I mean, the spaces you manage, that's where families live their lives. It's where businesses get their start, and it's where communities really take root. Your work matters on a much, much deeper level.
Okay, so that's the big picture mission. But how do we actually put this into practice? Well, it all starts by truly mastering the entire tenant lifecycle. So let's walk through the professional workflow that turns these big ideas into real-world action. You can really break the whole process down into 4 clear stages. It all kicks off with a super meticulous onboarding of the property itself. Then you pivot to marketing to attract the right kind of people. Next up is the handover, which is such a critical moment to set the right tone. And finally, you have to manage the turnover efficiently to keep that cycle moving along smoothly. Let's zoom in on marketing for a second. Attracting quality tenants isn't luck, it's strategy. You've got to be leveraging digital platforms, using social media, and really encouraging referrals from current tenants and agents. And of course, nothing, I mean nothing, beats a professional online listing with amazing photos and really clear floor plans. It is all about making an incredible first impression. Now, the handover, this is so much more than just giving someone a set of keys. It is your first major interaction, your best chance to deliver an absolutely exceptional move-in experience. A smooth, welcoming handover builds trust from day one and sets a positive tone for the entire relationship. Okay, so now we're going to go beyond the basics. This is where you really step into that role of a modern manager by creating value that benefits everyone involved. And what does that value actually look like? Well, here are some fantastic examples. You could coordinate housekeeping or offer laundry services. You could organize fun community events, like a summer barbecue or holiday party. It's also about building a trusted network of vendors for everything from plumbing to tech support. These are the kinds of services that just make life better for your tenants. And that's the ultimate goal, isn't it? When you start offering these kinds of services, you totally transform the property. It stops being just 4 walls and a roof. It becomes a supportive environment where people can actually thrive. So, you're probably thinking, this all sounds amazing, but where on earth am I going to find the time for all this community building? And the answer is pretty simple: technology. Automation is the absolute key to working smarter, not harder, so you can focus on the things that really move the needle. I mean, just look at the time saved here. It's staggering when you see it laid out. With automation, sending out rent reminders goes from hours of work down to just minutes. Tracking maintenance, creating reports, all these administrative headaches practically disappear, freeing up dozens of hours every single month. And that's the whole point. Technology isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. By automating all those repetitive, low-value tasks, you get back your time and your mental energy so you can focus on what truly matters: connecting with people and building those vital relationships. So, when you combine a professional workflow with powerful technology, your entire professional identity shifts. You're not just a manager anymore. You are a community builder, fostering those connections. You're a revenue enabler, creating value for your clients. And you're a service leader, truly enhancing the lives of your tenants. So, we'll end with this thought. You aren't just managing bricks and mortar.
You have the tools, you have the mission to create something so much more meaningful. The only question left is, what kind of community will you build?